What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got something special, but we got one of the best accessories for a smartphone, and that's a smartwatch, guys. So we got the Galaxy Watch here, and this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I had the 4, had a good trading deal, so I just went ahead, I had to get it. So as you can see, I don't know why the front of this box, as you can see, typical white box, but this looks like a regular Galaxy Watch 5, and the colorway is all the way off. As you can see, we got the Watch 5 Pro, no LTE, just Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and this package contains the Watch 5 Pro, 45mm face. You know I like my watches big, wireless charging, USB-C. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what's in this box. So as you can see, I got a small box inside the box. Got the wireless charger right here. And all that's left is some paperwork. I'm not worried about that. As you can see, we got the watch on deck, guys. So I picked that like silver type colorway. I didn't want the black. The black colorway looked good, but I already got something going on black on another manufacturer, one of the newest watches. I don't want to say the name in this video. So I just wanted to contrast something different. So if I want a black watch, I got a black watch. If I want like a silver type watch, I got a silver type watch. Now all I really need is a gold watch. Let's get this up out of here. Nice big watch, nice big power button. See, this is the back, and we got this is the sapphire crystal. Reminds me of my Watch 4 Pro. Look like a brushed aluminum almost. I'm not used to this plastic on the back. That's a little different. Maybe it's for a sensor or something that they got going on with this watch. I know there's a lot of new little things that this watch can do, and it's supposed to have really good battery life. You can see it's powering on. Got two buttons on the side right here. Set that off to the side because as you can see in the box, no band in the box with the watch. Samsung give you options when you ordering it on the website. So as you can see, I got the Ridge sports band, the medium large 20mm, and that's how that looks. Remind me exactly of my this is the best looking colorway with a silver watch. I like this band a lot compared to all the other bands with a silver colorway. It's kind of just like what I had with my Watch 4 Classic. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. As you can see, nice like silver, like grayish, light grayish type colorway. As you can see, the clasp is stainless steel. Stainless steel clasp matched perfectly with my watch over there. We're gonna set that up in a minute. Just a very good look. And this is what the watch is gonna look like with the band on it. Nice looking watch, guys. Very good looking smart watch. Nice big enough face for me. I like a big face, some texture around the face. This brushed aluminum looks really good with the light band. Just got to keep it clean. My Galaxy S22 Ultra already sensed my Watch 5 Pro, so we're just going to go hook it up. Okay, so I got the watch set up, guys, and I'm going to give y'all some early first impressions. First of all, if you got the Watch 4 Classic, this is not too much different from the Watch 4 Classic, so it's not a mandatory buy. It is a little different. There's a couple things different, and there's a couple things that I like that's different. First of all, the back with this plastic, I'm not sure exactly the reason why they turned out the plastic. I don't like that. It kind of like lessens the premium feel just a little bit, even though it's a very premium watch. This band, these ridge back bands, this silicone type band, I love these bands. Nice and thick with very nice hardware. Even though it's a silicone band, as you can see, the hardware is very nice and matches the device. Now, the interaction with the screen on these watches is always really good. This one is really fluid, really fast, really easy to interact with. I like that. And I like how they got the screen kind of recessed on this one. Give some depth and some character to the face of the watch. Now, lately I've been trying different watches and things of that nature, but I want to say that Samsung makes some of my favorite smartwatches because they offer two tiers. You got the Watch 5 and then you got this, well, now you got the Pro, which has a little bit more maybe just ruggedness to it or character to it, a little bit more design to it. So compared to a regular Watch 5, this just looks a little bit more bolstered up, a little bit more premium, a little bit more, makes a little bit more of a statement. But the things that I'm really looking forward to, different track and see if it tracks different than my Watch 4 Classic, and the battery life. I'm really looking for the battery life. So first impressions, a dope watch. Like if you're going out to buy a Samsung watch today, I would say buy the latest watch that's available. You know what I mean? If you got the Watch 4 Classic, there's no need to really jump unless you're really looking for the battery life or something particular you looking for. You just that type of tech head. But yeah, guys, we're going to come back with a full review. These are just some first impressions in the unboxing. Your man BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Your man BG. I'm out. Peace.